Hello, YouTube family. How are you? I hope you're fine from wherever you're watching from. Today, come with me. Let's see what Mr. Waters is doing. He's 90 years old, but he loves his gardening. Let's join him. Let's just join him and just help him and support and just take a walk with him. Oh, these are bulbs.
They're dry now, and then I plant them next year, Percy.
Oh, okay.
What are they?
Daffodils. That's it. They are daffodils. So you're gonna let them dry right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, put them in the garage after.
All right. I think here there's a bit of sunshine, they can dry properly.
Yeah, that's right. I don't mind. I don't mind.
So it's gardening time here at Lower Grange Farm here in Monmouthshire in South Wales. As you can see, the professional himself has been doing it for 90 years. That's Mr. Waters. Just preparing his daffodils for the next season.
Let them dry, let the tubers dry
Yep,
for next season.
that's it. And the soil is quite fertile, it looks.
There we are.
All sorted.
Very good.
Yeah. And the tulips are drying up. They don't take too long, eh? The tulips. Yeah? A few more coming up. Oh, okay, okay. To pull these out, yeah? I can help you with this.
Okay.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it, all sorted.
Do you take those over and put with the others?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Very good.
Oh, that one. All the bees are busy, you know. The honeybees. Wow. There's bees and bumblebees as well.
Right.
The bumblebees are slightly bigger, you know.
Yeah.
It's always good to exercise. Yeah, we can go around the house and just stretch your legs.
Go to the house, yeah.
Yep. Stretch your legs. I'll open the gate.
Very good, aren't they?
Yes.
And people come down,
Mm-hmm.
have a cup of coffee, sit out there.
Yes, it could be ideal. A farm shop would be ideal.
Yeah.
Even a B&B would be very nice.
That's for someone else, not for me.
Yeah. Maybe Mr. Stuart Waters.
Huh.
There you go.
Thank you.
Now the grass has been cut nice.
Yeah.
Nice and pretty.
Oh, name of those busy?
What do you call them?
Yeah,
The ones with the pepper flowers.
yeah.
Forget me not.
No, bluebell.
Oh, bluebell. Okay.
First forget me nots.
Oh, those ones, yeah. They got a pretty color.
Yeah.
So these are forget me not. Okay. Oh. I hope you've liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share. And don't forget to leave a comment so we get to know one another. And press that bell icon for more notifications. You'll be the first to receive every video that I release, So thank you for watching, and it's adios amigos. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. It's bye-bye from me.